What is medical billing? Medical billing is the process of submitting and following up on claims with health insurance companies.
What is the revenue cycle vault? RCM is the process that helps hospitals and clinics get paid for the care they provide.
It starts when a patient books an appointment and ends when the healthcare provider receives full payment. US healthcare is insurance-based, private, and public, with complex billing rules. We navigate various insurance types, including Medicare, Medicaid, PPOs, and HMOs. Providers need expert support. Medical billers work for hospitals or clinics. They enter patient information, check insurance eligibility, submit insurance claims, follow up on unpaid claims, and communicate with insurance companies and patients.
Common job titles in the healthcare system: medical biller, medical coder, accounts receivable specialist, payment poster, eligibility and benefits verifier.
Why the US offsite medical billing work? High operational costs in the US, skilled English-speaking talent offshore/offsite, time zone advantage for 24/7 operations. Focus on core healthcare delivery while outsourcing billing. Why medical billing is a great career in Pakistan? High demand for trained professionals. No medical degree required. Attractive starting salary. Remote work opportunities. Career progression within 2-3 years.